Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but here I am. I had to collect some PR so I could share it with you guys. And honestly, I've been kind of busy looking for a job. And please excuse my red nose. Like, oh my gosh, it's cold in Florida again. And this cold weather just has me like, you know what I'm saying? So aggravating. I mean, I love it, but then I'm annoyed by it, if that makes sense. All right, so anyway, happy weekend to you guys. Happy Friday. So glad it's Friday. Let's jump into this. I'm not going to keep y'all here for too long. So first up, we have these really cute Kaja Beauty jelly charms. These jelly charms are absolutely so adorable. Come with these really cute little charms that you could add to your bag. Here is all of them. Oops, I just dropped one. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. And if you check out my shorts, you'll see exactly how I apply these and put them onto my bag. And what I really love is they're versatile. You can put them on your lips and you can also put them on your cheek, which I love versatility. How cute is that packaging? Love it, love it. But they sent these over to me in PR and let's get into them. So here are the very cute swatches. Like I said, lip tints for your lips and your cheeks. It is very comfortable to wear. It feels like very like Hydra velvety jelly, like if that makes sense. Like whenever you put it on, it kind of feels like a wet, thick jelly liquid. I really like it. It feels nice and comfortable on the lips. You can check out my video and see how I applied it. Like I said earlier, it comes in 6 shades, but some of these shades are only exclusive to Kaja, and I think it's only 2 that are exclusive to Kaja only, and then some of them are at Sephora too. But y'all go check them out at Kaja, KajaBeauty.com, and check them out at Sephora. Super, super cute. And they blend out really nicely as well. I think the colors are pretty and they're buildable. So if you need more pigment, you can definitely do that. So next up, I have a K-Beauty brand that I just got introduced to. I think they are a new brand. They're called Makeup. They sent over these products. They are a K-Beauty brand, and they're the only skincare brand that actually has maple tree sap in their skincare ingredients, and that's supposed to be very beneficial for your skin. Like I said, I just got this in the mail, so I haven't been able to do too much research. I wanted to hurry up on here and get this done for you guys. But I do know that they're a sustainable brand. They're clean, and whenever they harvest, so annoying. Whenever they harvest this tree sap, they do it once in February, and they do not harm the tree, the roots, or anything like that. So I think that's really amazing. Okay, well, this is very fancy. Look how the eye cream is wrapped up. That is pretty cool. I have so much skincare to use, so I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get into this, but if you guys want to check it out before I get to it, you definitely can. But here is the packaging, and this is recyclable glass. This is a scrub right here. Let me see what each of these do. All right, so this looks like a kind of a thick essence consistency. It looks kind of thick to me. This is called the Raw Sauce. It is vegan. It's a hydrating and nourishing essence, 73% maple sap from Korea. So it's going to give you a dose of hydration, and it's going to nourish your skin, so maybe help with redness if you experience that. I can't smell anything. This is 100 milliliters in here. I wish I wouldn't have messed up the packaging, because I'm really weird. Like, I really like packaging. Like, I like the aesthetic. I like how it looks. All right, now here is a raw scrub. This is a mild scrub cleanser. What is this going to do for you? Basically exfoliate your skin and not strip it. But you know, a lot of cleansers claim that, and then I'll be like, oh my gosh, my skin is so dry. But hopefully this doesn't do that. But I do accumulate some blackheads around my chin and nose. So hopefully this works well whenever I get to try that. Okay, now this raw cream eye contour is going to help reduce wrinkles and reduce the appearance of dark circles, which I always need to have an eye cream on hand that helps reduce dark circles, because if I don't stay on that, I swear it looks like my dark circles become more prominent. And it doesn't help the fact that my eyes are kind of hollow, which is like really annoying, but it is what it is. This is what God blessed me with, so gotta embrace it. Okay, so thank you, Makeup, for sending. Let's get on to the next one. Also, I'm not sure if I said it earlier, but this is also a vegan brand, so if that piques your interest, definitely check that out, because that seems to be the thing: vegan, sustainable, clean brands. So check it out. Okay, also one thing, they also sent me this little gift, very cute bag. I smell everything. What is this? I think it like massages and contours your skin. I never used anything like this, but some people say it works to help lift, like give you like a lift. And then they also sent over these little samples, but I really like how cute their little stickers and packaging is. Like whenever I look at it, it does look very like earth friendly and sustainable. But I'm sorry, I'm like, oh, I forgot to include this because I'm trying to rush so you guys don't have to like sit here forever. And plus I've been running out of space on my phone, like y'all. Oh, it is so frustrating. Okay, so next up I got a package from Sally Beauty because I am a Sally Beauty partner. They don't pay me, but they do send me some products and I can earn commission if I do like affiliate links. But this is the bond system. They sent 6 new products. These are going to be available February 1st. So I'm one of the first to get to try it. I feel so special. All right, so number 1, we have the bonding booster. This right here is going to help repair your damaged hair, especially if you're somebody who likes to color your hair and use things like that. And then here is another bonding treatment. Basically, bonding treatments are really to help like your flyaways, your breakage. It's going to help boost your hair, boost your shine. I've been doing a lot of that because my husband gets so annoyed with me because, you know, he'll be finding my hair and his beard and stuff like that. I'm like, honey, I can't help it, but I'm trying to help it. So this is supposed to instantly repair, smooth, and reduce breakage after just 1 use. 1 use. This is going to help all the damage and breakage I've caused. Honey, it has a lot to live up to. And it says when used in regimen with number 3 bonding shampoo. Okay, so basically I need to use it with the number 3 bonding shampoo. And then this is just going to make everything so much better. And I do have the number 3 bonding shampoo because there is another set that they sent to me like a couple months ago, but that one's in my bathroom. If y'all want to see that one too, let me know. Okay, so this is number 2, the bonding recovery right here. This is a post-chemical treatment. It's going to help repair damaged hair caused by hair color, relightening and relaxing your hair. And I imagine, you know, straightening it too. That would like really help a lot too. It says it also improves wet detangling hair up to 90% after use. And then the other one, we have the purple shampoo. This is going to brighten your blonde hair if you have blonde hair and even gray hair, in which I did have some gray hair, but I dyed it. And it's also going to neutralize brassy hair as well. And what I really like about this system is you can mix and match if you want to do that and see what works best for your hair, which is exactly what this homegirl is going to do. Okay, now this is their number 7 bonding treatment. This is going to boost shine, minimize flyaways, and protect against heat temperatures up to 450 degrees. So this sounds really good. I think I'll use that for my daughter because she likes to straighten her hair a lot. And then here is a hydration mask. I imagine this is just going to awaken your hair, moisturize it, make it feel healthy, silky, and shiny. Let's see what the card says. It's an intense moisture treatment. It improves wet detangling by 90% just after 1 use. I always heard you're not supposed to like brush your hair or comb it whenever it's wet, but I don't know. I have my whole life. But anyways, you can check out this system February 1st. It will be available at Sally's because it is one of their new brands. And they do already have Bond Bar in their stores, but like I said, these are unreleased. And you can get them whenever they release them. So so if you guys want me to like let you know how this worked on my hair, like tell me, yo G, you need to peep it and let us know how it goes. I'll do that for you. So thank you Sally Beauty and Bond Bar for sending these over. So this is a really exciting one. I got this package from Pixi. They've been sending me PR for like a long time now. This is their new Clarity line. And you know, Clarity products are really going to help those, especially if you have acne prone skin. It's really going to help brighten up your skin, exfoliate, get the dull dead skin out of your pores. It's going to rip dirt out of there. It's also going to give you doses of hydration, minimize those pores. And I really like how everything's like, oh, you're going to cleanse, tone, treat, hydrate, and this says remedy. Like whenever you use remedies and stuff like that, they're always like the last step in your skincare routine. But this is really exciting. I can't wait to get into this. I think the packaging is really cute. Pixi has really good, they call them skin treats for your skin. Some of the stuff is like really affordable, but I feel like with inflation, stuff that they say is affordable is kind of like a bit much nowadays, at least for me. But it's still more affordable than some other brands that you'll see. But you can check this out on their website because it is available right there. It has the whole collection and what you need if you want clearer, more hydrated skin. So thank you so much, Pixie, for sending this over. I appreciate it so much. You guys have stood by me for so long. I really, oh my gosh. And before I forget, I have to tell y'all about the e.l.f. giveaway that I won. They sent me a year's supply of their Power Grip, and they sent me one of their new ones. I had never tried the OG primer, and then for them to also throw this in, it was like so exciting. And for me to win, I was like, yes, girl, my luck, my luck. So maybe they'll put me on the PR list. But with e.l.f., like, they literally are affordable, and I love that. Like, drugstore makeup is like everything, and they are coming for the necks of every little beauty brand in the industry. They're coming. They're like, yo, you got that for $24, honey, we can do it for 10. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love that. But yeah, I finally am getting to try this today, and I can't wait. Okay, last but not least is Dr. Zenobia. They sent over their Clear Complexion Acne Solution Kit, and they also sent over their Scar Gel treatment, which I'll be excited to try because I do have some scarring right here. Very aggravating. Like, I've had it for like ever. But Dr. Zenobia is a clinical skincare brand. They really focus on helping individuals with acne. So if you're someone who has acne or someone you know has acne, you should definitely check out this line. It does work really well. I've tried it in the past. I absolutely love one of their cleansers. It's Baculi or Bachuli. I can't pronounce it, but it's like one of my favorite. And their aloe is really, really soothing. They have really great moisturizers. But here are these products right here. They're actually a sister brands of 𝐷ERMA. And then here is the scarring gel treatment. Let's take them out. They actually changed the way this cleanser look. It used to be kind of like in a big glass bottle, but this is their cleanser. It has benzoyl peroxide in it. And if you know that benzoyl peroxide is really going to help eliminate those with acne breakouts and oily skin. Here is the spot treatment. This will go last in your routine, like I said, because spot treatments, and that is like, that's 50 milliliters of product. It is like a lot of product. I really like how this smells. I haven't noticed any irritation when I have used this system before. Like I said, it's a good brand. I've tried probably their whole skincare line, but I took a step back because, you know, I have to try other skincare as well, and I want to be honest about it and not just be like, yo, this is great, go try them. Like, I do want to get into everything and try it, but if you guys like don't want to wait on me, you can definitely try it first. But I'm really focusing a lot on like barrier repairs, hydration, and anti-aging for my skin, and they do offer that as well. But they send like a lot of packages. Like, sometimes I can't keep up, honey, but I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Dr. Zenobia, for sending over this great 3-step, I don't think that one goes in there. Thank you so much for sending over this 3-step kit plus the little scar gel. I'm definitely going to be using these and letting my daughter use them as soon as I can get caught up with all this skincare that I have. But if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much to tuning into my video. It was so fun to hang out with you guys. I hope next time I don't have to be zooming through my video. Like, I need to clear up my phone so I can get more space. So I'm not like, oh my gosh, when is my phone gonna like be like, no more storage? You know what I mean? But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing, amazing weekend. Have fun, be safe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Comment down below if you want to see me try something for you guys, or comment down below if you plan on checking out something for yourself. Anyways, thanks so much again. Bye, y'all.